Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into Go High Level, a platform that is literally making huge waves right now. It's promising to completely replace your massive, messy web of marketing tools. If you've been hearing the hype around it and you're wondering, is this software actually the real deal for my business or my agency? Well, you are definitely in the right place. Right off the bat, do me a favor, just mentally calculate the total monthly cost of your what I like to call Frankenstein tech stack. You know exactly what I mean, that totally duct-taped system where you're paying separately for a CRM, an email marketing tool, a funnel builder, an SMS platform, maybe your appointment booking software. Yeah, it adds up incredibly fast, doesn't it? Well, the platform we're looking at today aims to replace absolutely all of it, the whole shebang. So here's our roadmap for this explainer. We'll start by meeting your new tech stack, see why agencies and businesses are making the switch, look at some real-world success stories, see how Go High Level stacks up against the competition, break down the pricing and who should actually avoid it, and finish up with our final verdict. All right, let's jump right into Section 1, Meet Your New Tech Stack, and figure out what Go High Level actually is. So founded back in 2018, the creators realized a massive pain point in the market. Basically, marketing agencies, coaches, and service businesses were just bleeding money and losing precious data by duct taping all these multiple platforms together. It was a mess. So they built Go High Level, or GHL for short, as a unified solution to act as the central nervous system for literally all of your sales and marketing. Now, the sheer scale of features bundled under one roof here is honestly massive. We are not just talking about a simple CRM. Go High Level packs in sales pipelines, advanced marketing automation for email and SMS, a drag-and-drop website and funnel builder, forms, calendars, reputation management, which is absolutely crucial for getting Google reviews, membership course creation, a unified conversation inbox, and even cutting-edge AI chatbots. It is effectively built to just wipe out your need for tools like MailChimp, Calendly, ClickFunnels, and ActiveCampaign all in one go. Just to give you an idea of its rapid adoption and how much the industry trusts this system, Go High Level is currently the central operating system for over 60,000 marketing agencies worldwide. Think about that for a second. That is a massive footprint in a really short amount of time. Moving right along to Section 2, let's look at why agencies and businesses switch and explore this dual benefit. For agencies, here's the thing. You aren't just buying a tool. You're actually buying a business model. You can manage absolutely unlimited client subaccounts from one single dashboard. That means way faster client onboarding and totally centralized management. But even better, you can fully white label this software, literally strip out the Go High Level branding, slap your own agency's logo right on it, and resell it to your clients as a monthly subscription. It's pure recurring SaaS revenue. Meanwhile, if you're a local business owner, a coach, or a consultant, you use it directly to stop your hard-earned leads from slipping through the cracks. By automating immediate email and SMS follow-ups, setting up automated appointment reminders to drastically reduce no-shows, and actually tracking your real marketing ROI in one clear pipeline, you're basically saving money on software while directly increasing your closing rate. It's a win-win. Okay, abstract features are cool, but let's look at Section 3, Real-World Success, and see some practical applications in action. Imagine a busy dental clinic. The receptionist is swamped, and a call goes to voicemail. Normally, that $1,000 patient just hangs up and calls the next dentist on Google. Boom, lost revenue. But with Go High Level, an AI voice agent answers that missed call instantly, has a totally natural conversation, and books the appointment directly into the calendar. Then, the system automatically sends SMS reminders, and right after the visit, fires off a text asking for a 5-star Google review. It's entirely hands-off. Or let's look at a gym. A lead clicks a Facebook ad and opts in for a free week. Boom. Go High Level triggers an instant SMS response within seconds, inviting them to book an intro class. And this is absolutely crucial because research shows that leads contacted within 5 minutes are 9 times more likely to convert. The lead is then visually tracked in a sales pipeline, and if they don't buy right away, no worries. Long-term nurture campaigns just automatically take over. Now, you might be wondering about the competition. Let's hit Section 4, how Go High Level stacks up in competitor matchups. When we put these platforms head-to-head, the differences really come down to their core focus and their pricing architecture. Now, HubSpot absolutely wins on deep enterprise analytics and super complex reporting, but they charge per seat and per contact, which gets astronomically expensive as you scale. Go High Level, on the other hand, is materially cheaper, especially for agencies, because it uses a flat-rate pricing model that includes unlimited contacts and users, plus that unique ability to white label the whole thing. When matched up against ClickFunnels, the underlying philosophies are just different. ClickFunnels remains the absolute easiest, most specialized tool out there for pure funnel creation and conversion optimization. It's great at what it does. However, Go High Level offers a complete business system. It gives you the funnels, sure, but then it backs them up with the robust CRM, the multi-channel SMS, and the automated pipelines that ClickFunnels really lacks right out of the box. And for the coaches and course creators watching, we have Kajabi. Now, Kajabi provides unmatched, beautiful polish for hosting digital courses and delivering content. It's gorgeous. But if your business relies heavily on one-on-one coaching, booking discovery calls, and those intricate multi-channel follow-up automations, well, Go High Level really takes the win there on sheer CRM power and pipeline management. All right, let's get down to the brass tacks in Section 5, pricing and some honest disqualifications. The pricing here is straightforward and honestly highly disruptive to the industry. You've got a $97 a month starter plan, which is absolutely perfect for solo businesses or single locations. Then, the $297 unlimited plan is really the sweet spot for agencies because it gives you unlimited client sub-accounts. And finally, there's the $497 SaaS Pro plan. That one unlocks the ability to fully rebill your clients for things like SMS and email, basically allowing you to run your very own white-labeled software as a service company. But hey, to be completely honest with you, Go High Level isn't for everyone. If you're a massive enterprise company with, say, 50-plus locations requiring incredibly deep granular reporting, this probably isn't for you. Or, on the flip side, if you just need a very simple tool to send out a basic monthly newsletter to your fans, this platform is total overkill. It has a steep learning curve, and the sheer volume of features will honestly probably just frustrate you. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground. Let's bring it all together in Section 6, the final verdict. So, is it actually worth it? Ultimately, yes, it is absolutely worth it, but for the right user. If you operate a service business like real estate, home services, or that dental clinic we mentioned, where your lead response speed directly drives your revenue, or if you're an agency managing multiple clients, this platform pays for itself incredibly quickly by consolidating your tools and plugging those expensive leaks in your sales pipeline. However, you really need to keep in mind that the true cost of Go High Level isn't just that $97 or $297 monthly fee. The real cost is the implementation. You should fully expect to spend 20 to 40 hours just setting up your pipelines, your calendars, and your automation workflows properly. You have to put in the reps to get past a steep learning curve to actually see the magic happen. You simply cannot treat this as a quick plug-and-play toy. So the final question you really need to ask yourself is this. Are you ready to invest the time required upfront to consolidate your tools, automate your follow-ups, and finally streamline your business for long-term scale? Because if the answer is yes, it might just be time to put that Frankenstein tech stack to rest for good. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and as always,